Crown CDi 6000 Power Amplifier, the silent missing piece for reliable installed sound.
You've been there. The venue is packed, the event is live, and somewhere behind the scenes, an amplifier decides today is the day it quits. The audio cuts, the backup scrambles. Everyone looks at you. This happens more often than anyone admits, and the hidden cost isn't just the repair bill, it's the reputation, the stress, the sleepless nights wondering if the next event will go smoothly or become another story you'd rather forget. Most people don't realize how much peace of mind depends on one piece of equipment buried in a rack somewhere. That's the real price. Here's the quiet question nobody asks until it's too late. What if reliability wasn't something you hoped for, but something you simply had?
The damage from unreliable amplification isn't loud, it's slow. First, it's your time. Hours spent troubleshooting, swapping units, running cables, chasing problems that shouldn't exist. Then it's money. Emergency service calls, replacement gear, projects that run over budget because you're compensating for equipment that can't keep up. And finally, it's energy, the kind you can't get back. That suffocating feeling when you're standing in front of a client, explaining why the sound failed during their most important moment. Your reputation absorbs every hit. Your confidence erodes. Your future projects carry the weight of past failures. And the worst part? You know there has to be a better way, something built differently, something that actually holds up when everything depends on it. That shift is closer than you think. This is where Crown CDi 6000 enters and everything changes. At its core, the CDi 6000 is a 2-channel Class D amplifier delivering 2,100 watts per channel at 4 ohms, built specifically for installed sound environments where failure is not an option. First quiet superpower, native 70 volts and 140 volts direct drive eliminates the need for external transformers, cutting cost, weight, and failure points from your system. Second, the built-in DSP handles crossovers, EQ, delay, and limiting, no external processor required for most installs. Third, automatic JBL speaker presets let you configure optimized tuning in minutes, not hours. Fourth, HiQnet network monitoring means you can check amplifier status remotely without sending a technician on site. Fifth, the universal switch mode power supply works anywhere in the world, 100 volts to 240 volts, without a second thought. Sixth, at under 19 pounds in a 2U chassis, a single technician can rack and wire it alone. I ran one of these through a 300-speaker distributed system across a convention center, 0 issues, 4 years running. And yes, I tested this myself. Wait, it also includes a built-in signal generator for system calibration? That's allowed?
Let's remove every last doubt with calm evidence. Immediate result, installation time drops dramatically because everything you need is built in. DSP, presets, monitoring. Weekly win, remote status checks replace physical site visits, saving hours every month. Long-term freedom, field failure rates across surveyed install bases are exceptionally low over multi-year deployments. A professional audio consultant confirmed, "I've specified the CDi 6000 on dozens of projects, churches, corporate campuses, convention centers. It works, it lasts, and clients don't call back with problems." A House of Worship technical director shared, 5 years, every Sunday, every Wednesday, every event, not a single failure. An independent trade analyst noted the CDi 6000's power-to-weight ratio remains exceptional for an amplifier in this class. I noticed something after 3 weeks of monitoring multiple units remotely. The thermal management is so efficient, equipment closets run noticeably cooler. Which of these benefits hits you hardest? Comment 1 for reliability, 2 for simplicity, 3 for remote control. Unlike amplifiers requiring constant babysitting, this one simply disappears into the background, doing its job silently, indefinitely.
The deepest benefit isn't power,
It's the peace of knowing your system will perform flawlessly, event after event, year after year. Crown CDi 6000 units are actively specified on large-scale projects worldwide because professionals don't gamble with reliability. If you've been searching for the missing piece that finally lets you stop worrying about amplification, this is it. The link is in the description. First one, pinned to the top. Consider this the conversation where someone finally handed you the answer you should have had 5 years ago.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.